And we are back. Howzit T.O.B Family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is the BEATS SOLO BUDS True Wireless Earbuds. Now, BEATS is a brand that is very familiar to most people, myself included, and for the life of me, I cannot tell you why this is the first time we are reviewing the BEATS products on this channel. That is wild. I'm sorry guys, I apologize for that. I'll do better. Alright, this was launched in June of 2024 and the price on this one is 1,645 rands, which translates to 93 US dollars. Now in my book, this is a mid-range price. So let's hope we get mid-range performance or higher from it. Yes? Yes. Alright, let's talk specs. Some of the specs include a custom dual layer drivers, 18 hours of playback time, a fast charge feature which gives you 5 minutes of charge for 1 hour of use. A full-time charge, you get 2.5 hours. It supports iOS and Android. You get crystal clear calls, you get Find My Device feature, and 100 meters of Bluetooth connectivity. That is wild. I really like to test that Bluetooth thing, but that is wild. This is the box. This is the whole box in this thing. So it is really, really small, very ergonomical. That's my hand and that's the box. All right, let's pop this open and see what we got. Yes, let's go. So when you pop it open, this is what you get. You get some manuals and some paperwork here. We'll look through them later. We've got extra ear tips from extra small to extra large. Got all 6 of them here. And the BEATS SOLO BUDS True Wireless Earbuds in the charging case. This is very, very small, guys. I mean, about the size of a finger. It is really, really small. I think I understand why it's gonna Find My Device feature, because you would lose this very easily. It is so small and it's pole shaped too, so there's a slimline thing going on here. This is the BEATS logo right on top of it, right there. And behind we've got the USB Type-C charging port, and that's about it. That's related to the case. This is nice. Alright, let's pop this open, see what the earbuds look like. Let's go. There we go. This is nice. This is very nice. Here we go. Ooh, I think there's a pairing sound that comes with this. If you can hear this. That's new. That's new. I have never heard this before, but it's okay. That's cool. Let's take this out. Let's take this out and then we can move on. There we go. There we go. It says remove. There we go. There we go. And we've got the right and the left. Now I want to say something. Just looking at this, looking at the size of the charging case, I expected that the earbuds would be a little bit smaller. But if you look at it here, it's still the same inner ear design, but it's not as small as I thought it would be. That's cool. All right, we've got the BEATS logo on top of it for the touch control. We've got the charging place right there at the surface. You never miss them. And we've got very soft ear tips. Very, very soft. I like this. Okay, we've got a little slots here for a bit of ventilation. That's cool. The same on the left. Alright, there's not really much to the earbuds aside from the fact that it's just the same inner ear design shape. But this is cool. Okay, let's do a fit test. Let's see how comfortable this gets when we put it on. Let's go. Fit test. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Look how well it fits. Fits very well. Very nice. It is very, very comfortable. It's not poking inside my ear. The ear tip I'm using, which I believe is my size anyways, the ear tip I'm using, it creates a seal inside the ear, so it feels like there's noise cancelling even when there's not. That's amazing. I like that. And also it is super lightweight. You see this end here? See this end? It looks a bit bulky if you're looking at it on this side. Now I know these earbuds are small, but on this end it looks a bit bulky. You would expect it to be a bit heavy when you put it inside you put it in your ear, but no, that is nice. That is nice. And this is not falling off anytime soon. I mean, you can exercise your days, you can run with this. It is not falling off anytime soon. This is very, very good. I like it. All right, let's compare these and see how easy it is to do. Let's go. All right, let's pair these and see how easy it is to do. Firstly, let's just pop this open. Let us see if this is enough for us to be able to connect the earbuds to the charge cable, to the phone. Sorry. All right, let's take out the earbuds. Here we go. Any connection? Oh, nothing. Okay, so we go straight to our Bluetooth settings and we search for it, and right there, the BEATS SOLO BUDS, and it is paired. Simple, easy, no stress. All right. Oh, okay. Alright, since this is paired now, let us now go into the app and let's see what the app can do for us. Yes? Let's go. Alright, we've seen how easy it is to pair these. Let us go into the app and see the functions that the app provides. Now, for you to get the app, you can just either go to the product guide here, scan this, and this will take you to where you can download the app, or you can just go into your Play Store or your Google Play Store, or your iOS, and download the app directly from your store. It's very easy to get. I've taken the liberty of doing that already, and here it is. Let us see if we can pair these easy. Get started. Yeah, that's okay. Bluetooth permission, next, already connected, allow, and there we go. And there it picks it up. Is this a comfortable fit? Got it. Got it. All right. First of all, it's already picked up my name, and it's named the BEATS. It named the earbuds Gregory's BEATS SOLO BUDS. That is cool, and I'm connected. You have the option of renaming it if you want to, and let's explore other features and let's see how it works here. Because here we have lots of columns. We've got rename the Beats, product features, voice assistant, and volume control. So these are your settings where you can set your volume control and how you want it to work. We've got case tones, and we've got tone volumes, call controls, yada yada yada, microphone, everything under the hood, and register and all that stuff. This is cool. But let's just go through them together. We're not naming this anymore. Let's just let that go. Product features. If you can't remember how it works, you can take a quick tour. Let's see how it works. A quick tour here. This is a fit test for you to put this on and see how it fits in your ear. It will guide you through the fit process. Okay, we're gonna do all that. And these are your controls. Just a reminder of what works for your controls, right? Good. And for your calls and for charging. So just the usual thing. Let us explore something. Let's go to the volume settings. So now we can set this any way we want it to be. This is how we set it, the way we customize it to what we want, right? Now I've got different tabs for you. The left tab here will give you a voice assistant, one with the right, so you can just reset it. Okay, so when we take the earbuds out from the case, it starts beeping because it's trying to connect to your device. That's what this is for. You can shut that down by disabling this. Yes, you can disable that or you enable it, your choice. Now your tone volume, this is for your sound effects, like that beeping thing. This is how loud you want it to be. If you want it a little loud or a lot, your choice. Here you've got call control. So these are the controls for you when you're trying to make a call or end the call and all that stuff. You can just set it up yourself here. And here for the microphone, if you want your earbuds talking maybe from automatically switch buds, which means if for instance you're using this earbud one ear at a time You have to set them to an automatic system, so it switches the earbuds depending on what the earbuds is functioning with you at the time. But if you set it up to only use the left bud, you can only respond to your calls on the left bud. If you set it to do the right, the same. That's a new feature I've not seen in other earbuds. That's kind of weird, but okay. All right, I don't see. Let's explore this a little bit. App settings. Here we go. Notification allowed. Let's see what else we can find here. My Beats. Okay, that's this. Now, I don't see anything here that talks about anything here that directs me to EQ settings or equalizer settings. I don't see that here. And when I don't see that in the earbud app, I get worried. I hope the sound from this will definitely make up for it. But you know, I'll always say this. For every app, if you make an app, you have to give people the options of choosing what they want it to sound like. Now, from this app, either I'm missing something here or it is not on it. I don't see any option that will take me to a sound settings or some default equalizer settings or something. I don't see that here. All right. For me, that's a bit of a letdown. I would prefer the app has the equalizer settings on, or it's got some default settings, something I can choose or create my own, but I don't have that option here. All right, so let's just go and test out the sound and let's listen to it and see how well it sounds. Yes, let's go.
A few minutes later.
So after listening to this for a while, this is what I think. Wow, very, very good sound. Very, very good sound. Great separation of sound. It leans towards the bass and the higher notes, so everything is clear. Very, very nice. I like it. I really like the sound. I kind of get why they don't have no presets or equalizer settings on the app, but I still insist. I still think you have to have the equalizer settings on the app. Give us presets. We a differentiation when it comes to sound. You cannot just have just one sound and we stick to it, no matter how good it is. Yeah, great sound, but we still need the equalizer settings and the presets and all that stuff in the app. But let's just focus on the sound right now. Very, very good sound. Very good. Exceptional. Very good sound. I like it. All right, let's summarize this, and I'm going to break it down into two sections: the things I like and the things I did not like. All right, let's start. Now, with the things I like, I love the sound profile of this. It was beautiful. Very, very good sound. Very clear sound. Very, very good. You can mess with the sound. Very good. I like the fact that the earbuds are super lightweight. Even if I thought they kind of look bulky compared to their size, they kind of look bulky to me, but they're super lightweight and very comfortable. I like that. I like the Find My Device feature for these earbuds. These things are very small. The earbuds very small. You could easily misplace this. So with the Find My Device feature, yeah, it works like the like the Apple tag thing. Yeah, just beep and then it starts beeping back at you, so you can locate where it is. So I like that feature in the earbud just because of the size. It makes you to help you not lose them. I also like the quick charge feature. Okay, now with the quick charge feature, if you're in a hurry and these earbuds die and you're just like, let me just charge it up a little bit, and I will come back to that, why that is a thing. Then you say, oh, let's just charge quickly so we can just get moving. I like the fact it's a quick charge. You get 5 minutes of charge, you get about an hour of use. So that's a good thing. But yeah, we're going to get back to the reason why you might need a quick charge every now and then. All right. Then call quality. I like that too. In fact, as a matter of fact, here's what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B Family. This is a mic test of the BEATS SOLO BUDS True Wireless Earbuds. And when you're on the phone, this is what you sound like. Now go to the comment section and tell me what you think. Rate the sound. I am curious to know what you really think. Let's move on. Right. Now, go into the comment section and tell me what you think. I want to know what your opinion about the sound quality. Sorry, the call quality. I want to know what you think about it. So let me know in the comment section. Now, let's talk about the things I did not like about this earbud. Number one, the charging case does not have an internal battery. So this only just serves as a charger for your earbuds. For you to charge the earbuds, you have to put them in the case, and then you charge with the case. Now, if this case is not plugged in, there is no power from the charge case into your earbuds. So if you're going around with this and say your battery is dead from using this and you put it back in the case, hoping the case is going to charge it, no, there is no internal battery in here to charge the case. I don't understand that. It's wild to me. So yeah, that is one thing about this I did not like. Now, number two, the second thing I did not like, the manual says you get 100 meters of Bluetooth connectivity. Stop it. It is not 100 meters. You get 10 meters like every other earbud. Sometimes it might even move. Okay, depends. If you're in the line of sight, you get 12 meters at the most. Then it starts getting choppy. Besides that, no, you do not get 100 meters. That is not true. No, I did not like that. Now, another thing I did not like about these earbuds, although it is written in the manual that it is not optimized for that, and that's latency for gaming. If you're using this for your gaming, it's horrible. Do not game with this. Don't do that. You will hurt yourself. I'm telling you. It's horrible. The latency is horrible when it comes to gaming. Though the manual does say it's not optimized for it, but sometimes you're like, let's just try. Horrible. Don't do that. Now, you can do without the app. The app does not make a difference at all. Whether you have the app, whether you don't have it, doesn't make a difference in your usage, because I don't understand why they made an app for this, because you can use it without the app. The app does not add anything to it, because you cannot use the equalizer settings. There's no active noise cancelling, all that good stuff, not there. So all the app just does is just shows you what is and what isn't, but you can use it without the app, so it makes the app really useless. So I don't know. Yeah, that's what I did not like about it. Those are the things I did not like about it. I've said the things I liked about it. Yeah. So what do I think? Do I think this is worth the price? No, I do not. Hear me out. Now, last week we talked about the Soundcore A30i, and the price on that one was 749 rands, which translates to $43 US. Now, this is 1,645 rands, which translates to $93 US. Now, with the Soundcore A30i, now with that too, you also come with the noise cancelling feature and every other thing, right? And the Hear ID feature and all that stuff. Their charging case actually charges the earbuds. The A30i actually charges the earbuds. So that and all that you get for 749 rands. $43 US. But with this one, there you cannot charge. There is no internal battery, so the charging case does not actually charge the earbuds without being plugged in. That's a problem. So that means if you for some reason use it up for the day, you cannot recharge. You have to go look for a socket to charge your earbuds. That's number one. And number two, like I said earlier on, you can use this without the app. The app is inconsequential in my opinion. So what are you paying 1,645 rands for? You get it? No. So like I would say, if you're going for the sound profile, like I said, it's a good sound, right? But if you're going for the sound profile, then fine, go for the sound profile. If you can afford it, buy it. Excellent. But if you are checking prices, this is not the one. No. So no, I do not think this is a good investment, or I don't think the price is fair.